welcome, and if not, welcome back to George's Gorgeous Gifts. I'm Tony. Today's video is a magical sticker collaboration run by the beautiful people in the intro, and as you've just seen, I've popped my resin into my mixer and then into my degassing machine, and I'm just mixing up some white pigment paste into this resin. I have got my Love Heart coasters that I have had for months, just not used yet, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity because this one's a bit of a mushy one. This video is not only a collaboration, it's a dedication and a massive thank you to the community that we're building, particularly to those in my Discord groups. So this video does get slightly deep, so bear with me. It is only a short one, so I thought what better way to celebrate the few achievements that I've hit this week, as well as a massive thank you to you lovely bunch. And what better way than to design some stickers that say it all. Now, a few years back I originally started doing TikTok lives and had to stop that after I had my baby. So after a good long hard think, I thought, what about YouTube? Now that was a massive step for me because my brain can be very cruel, nasty, a bully, nothing short of a bully. And on times that's really hindered my life and stopped me from doing certain things. And I always thought that it was me, something I was doing, never fit in, never find my people. It turns out that this isn't the case. I actually got ADHD. Now I don't discuss my personal life very often, so a lot of you won't know that I have severe mobility issues and I very rarely leave my house because I can't walk any distances, and I spend way too much money on craft items to spend money on taxis. But I've had these issues for about 13 years, and you soon realise when you can't get to people, they don't come to you, and it can be really isolating. But what I realised from watching certain people these last few weeks is that I'm not alone. The first video was one of Lula's from Nerd Goblin Art. A couple of weeks ago she showed great bravery. She discusses her mental health and how that affects her on a day-to-day basis. And from talking to other people in the chat, I suddenly realised there's an awful lot of people that feel exactly the same way I do and have the same way of thinking as I do and the same destructive brain that I do, as well as the extra disability, which affects your mood anyway. And then I watched this video linked above. And I know she doesn't like the fuss, but I was in absolute awe of this person's honesty, bravery, where she discusses a really personal part of her life. Now you all know this person as Gert from Gert Creates, and it's an awareness for breast cancer video where she creates a keyring whilst discussing her struggle with breast cancer. Now it's not my story to tell, but hop over and watch the video. But as I sat listening to Gert's story, as well as talking to people in the chat, I realised what a beautiful thing that being part of this community was. Each of us helping each other to understand our miserable flaws. And although it was really difficult to hear, I really admired Gert for what she did. So these coasters are a celebration to not only those two people, but to every single person who's watching that might be struggling physically or emotionally. Just know that you really are not alone. So as you've just seen there, this was me scrolling through my phone, showing you the conversation that me and Gemini, the app, had to create these stickers. I wanted something with the 4 words that sprung to mind when I've thought about this community, but to also represent how I was feeling with being part of something. So this first sticker, the friendship one, is obvious, I'd say, because the friendships that I have built up over the last few months are absolutely amazing. And there's something about having one common goal that gives you a sense of belonging. My Discord groups are a group of absolutely fantastic, kind-hearted, creative to say the least, amazing, beautiful people. And I'd never have thought 6 months ago, when I started uploading properly onto my channel, that people would actually want to watch me, let alone watch me for over 1,000 hours, which I've hit this week. And on top of that, I then had some happy mail, which is in the video tonight. And it's my first bit of real happy mail. And honestly, I can't tell you how emotional I got, because It meant that somebody was thinking about me, that somebody thought, you know what, she would like this and this is going to help her out. And that was from Steph from Highland Homemade Crafts. And she's never ever met me in person, but she's took the time out of her day to choose a gift, to pay for it and write a little note as well. And I just thought that was really something quite special. So this one was a blooming flower to represent creativity that blooms through inspiration. So we have inspire, friendship, creative and unite. It should have really been united thinking about it. But 100% of these stickers were designed personally by me, not by the AI app. Gemini just helped to give me the hard copy. Now, unfortunately, bloody technology again, I can't seem to find the footage where I pour the clear layer over the top. But that's all I literally do, is just a clear coating over the top of these coasters. I then pop them in my G3 to cure, and they've come out with a really, really nice shine on them. And that combination of the white, the clear and the gold leaf is always a winner in my book. I'm really quite proud of myself for designing these stickers from scratch. It was every bit that I imagined that it would be. AI is really quite scary. Everything I asked it to do. Alright, we did have a few arguments along the way and we fell out a few times, but eventually we got there. So let me know in the comments what you think. And this is the last one. I think I actually prefer the clear around the edges, but we are going to colour two of them in a gold marker. It's the gold chrome markers from Let's Resin, I believe these were. I'm just going round all the edges. These coasters are technically backwards because you do work upside down. But yeah, it works this way as well. But I really think it captured everything I wanted it to. It wanted to say how special that you all are. That each and every one of you have got something inside you that's really special, and that's why we all come together the way we do. There are so many inspirational stories that you don't really realise until people let you into their lives. And essentially that's what we're doing as artists, as YouTube creators, is letting you into our lives. And it's nice maybe sometimes to see that reality. So I know this one's been a bit heavy, but I promise that's about as much as the mushy stuff as you're going to get. The video tonight, like I said, 9:30 p.m. will be seeing what I create from the gifts that Stephanie bought me. So if nothing else, if this journey that I'm on ended tomorrow, then I would be really appreciative for the good, kind, wonderful, creative people that I have met. Brave, creative people at that. Now these are nearly finished, but we're only 8 minutes in, so I'm going to have to do another one. It's surprising considering it took me about 6 hours to make. Yeah, it took 8 minutes for you to watch. So on to the next one. So over to my storage shelf I went to see what I had that I could pop a sticker on, and found this old cup. Now this was a cup that I made about 5 years ago. I think this was one of my very first cups, and I was so pleased with the way it had turned out. I'd bought a new cup turner and I was going for gold, and I was really shocked that first time this is what I created. I mean, I really had to hunt my camera roll to find this, and unfortunately all I have are these short clips, but this is what it looks like now. I don't even know why I don't use it. It's just been sat on my shelf for the last 5 years. So I think now's the perfect opportunity for me to jazz it up a little bit, finish it off, and to remind me of something really positive. So I'm just cutting out 2 more of these stickers, the creativity and the friendship ones, that I'd printed out myself on my printer. And once again, I'm just cutting around the edges of both, just to make them fit onto this cup. Now I did try popping one of those Wordle things, you know, where you write loads of different words on a piece of paper relating to something. Well, mine was family, but it didn't quite look right, so I ended up taking the sticker off. And I thought having a matching coaster set with my cup would be the perfect idea. You can see here the different colours of these words, and I think it probably would have looked cool, but I'm glad I stuck with the idea of matching coasters. So again, I'm just peeling off the backing paper and popping both of these stickers on the cup where I want them, and I'm using a cloth just to push down all around the sticker. Now you really do need to be careful with these printer stickers, because there are some times where the ink decides to come off, and that's what happened a little tiny bit on this one. Different places, different paper, different stickers, they all work differently. So I'm trying my very best not to get any bubbles underneath these stickers, but the more I try, the more bubbles I seem to get. And I will go over this with a coat of resin when I get a chance. But we're not going to do that for the purposes of the video today because I just didn't have the time. So I wanted to add a little bit of colour to this cup. So I'm using these holographic stickers just to stick these little butterflies on. And I am using just the orange ones just to give it that extra brightness. Now I have got to say before I go any further that I was really surprised that Gert was doing a sticker collaboration, because we all know she's got severe aversion to stickers. So it really will be interesting to see what she makes. Like I mentioned early on in the video, that there is a playlist linked in the description, and there are some absolutely fantastic artists taking part. So please do check that out after you've watched this video. I finish randomly just popping these butterflies onto the rest of the cup just to fill in the gap. I just want to get rid of that white blob that I really disliked. That's the only part of the cup that I didn't like. So I'm using this blue holographic butterfly that finishes it off beautifully. So these makes might not look extra special, but the message behind them certainly is. So to each and every one of you, be kind to yourselves. Be kind to each other. All that's left is for me to leave you with some glamour photos. I've been Tony from Georgie's Gorgeous Gifts. Stay safe, happy crafting, and bye for now.